What's up, handmade alphas? If you're watching this video, it probably means that Mark and I are off having fun for our 10-year wedding anniversary. But we didn't want to leave you hanging this week, especially since this is crunch time, right? This is crunch time. This is when we all need to be preparing our shops for the big Black Friday rush. So over the last few weeks, I've been working on a little surprise for you. Boop. Introducing my Black Friday toolbox. This is something that I've been working on for the last few weeks for you guys, so you can use a couple of my favorite resources to prepare your shops and your holiday marketing for the big Black Friday rush. There's one freebie in particular in here that has taken me weeks of editing to make it just perfect for you guys. So it's completely free. It's linked down below. I hope that you enjoy, and if you do, make sure that you comment on this video and let me know. Mark and I are having an amazing time on our anniversary, I assume, since we're not technically gone yet, but we will be soon. But we will be back shortly, so we thought that we would leave you with a little parting gift. So enjoy, guys, and until next time, bye-bye!